Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, we are doing a collaboration. Yes, a collaboration. It is hosted by Miss Amechi. You guys can check out her channel. It will be linked in my description box down below, as well as the playlist. Today we're giving you guys some indoor movie ideas. So right now it is roughly about 11:59 a.m. So it's basically noon. I'm gonna start getting ready for us to have an indoor movie night, as we have been seeing this really great movie pop up on TV saying that we can watch it from home now. So what a great thing to do when we don't feel like going out or it's just way too hot. So ran out to Dollar Tree today to find a couple items so that we could have indoor movie night, and this is what we found. So I did find two of the scalloped containers, one blue and one purple. I also found a 6 muffin pan tin, and then I did get this big pink bowl, and we got two of the little lunch trays that have the different pieces on it. So you can put your drink, you can have fruit snacks, popcorn, sandwich, whatever, you name it. So movie night at our house, join us. So I really just wanted to wash them off, as we just got them from the store, so they will just dry and we'll be ready a little bit later. All right, so now that we're almost entering movie night, it is basically dried off. I also went ahead and poured out the plates, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to just set those up without the popcorn though. So I have these two trays, and then I have these scallop containers that I'm just gonna set out. So this is gonna go along with dinner because we're gonna just be watching the movie and eating dinner. So I got these for the kids the other day at Kroger. These are fruit snacks, so they can get a pack of fruit snacks on their tray. So I'm also gonna add these Teddy honey grams onto hers, and then I will add on the Nutter Butter Bites to Cam's. I also have two of each pulled out, as this will be the main dinner. So I will just stick them on up front of the container. That'll hold that up. And so this one will sit in front of this container. All right, so I bought this tin muffin pan just so that there can be a variety of things in here the kids can top their popcorn with. So I'm just gonna throw some things in here. So I had some candy left over from recent, where these are strawberry gold bears, just like this. Actually, these are watermelon because it was the 100th anniversary. So I have pineapple. I also have a few of the sour crawlers. I have some M&M's minis. I have some of the sour punch bites, and then I also have crunchy cookie M&M's. And there we have it. We have the crispy cookie M&M's, the gummy bear or gummy worms. We have pineapple gummy bears, watermelon gummy bears, little small mini M&M's, and then we also have these Sour Patch bites. So this is what can go on top of their popcorn when it's ready. So it just so happened to be a really great night for us to do movie night. It was pouring down, raining, thundering, and everything. All right, so we got these the other night at Chick-fil-A, so I thought that we would go ahead and open these up tonight for family movie night. Let's just check out what's on the All right, so it says host your own movie night at home, zoom to the end. There's games and activities in here. So there's things that the kids can do to track to the theater. Sailing, scene, silliness, where they just circle 10 things that are different. And then if you keep opening it, it has let's have a movie night. So you can use these play tickets to invite family and friends. So I am going to put these on the kids' boards, as there's also some things on the back where they can do a movie watching game. There's more tickets, dump truck drawing, and then make up a movie about the happiest dump truck ever. So I'm gonna put a ticket on their trays, and then from there I'm gonna go ahead and pop the popcorn and let them come over and put whatever toppings they want on their popcorn. All right, so here the kids are. They're gonna go ahead and get their popcorn together, and then they have their toppings. And then I'm gonna tell them what movie we're watching. All right, so meanwhile the kids are still finishing up, I'm gonna go ahead and type in the movie and show you guys what we're gonna be watching. All right, so we're gonna be watching this movie right here. All right, so here's Cam. I guess, guys, and it's time for our movie night. The kids still don't know what movie it is we're gonna be watching, but I've saved this great movie for a day like today where it's raining and we're having movie night. Let's go. All right, so Scott has her little area set up. Cam is sitting on the couch. So now I can show the kids what movie it is I have picked out for us to watch, and I will tell you guys what the movie's gonna be about. So this is called The Bad Guys. The Bad Guys is basically about the most notorious criminals in the world pulling off a lifetime of legendary heist. But can the gang of misfits pull off their biggest job yet going good? Question mark. So let's watch it. All right, so it is on Amazon for $19.99 only, where we can buy it and we can always watch it again. Let the movie begin. Thanks for watching. So we really enjoyed the movie, and now it's just time to clean up. The movie was great. I'm glad we rented it for $20, and we can at least watch it over and over and over until it comes out on DVD, and then we will buy it that way. So if you like this video of us having indoor movie night, make sure to give us a huge thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on another video. Bye. Be sure to check out that playlist.